Hello, we are Abraham, Victor, and Ivan, and we are going to present our project that we have developed for this hackathon. And it's a COVID simulator that tries to help the government and the regions to know which can be the impact of this COVID crisis depending on some parameters, like if you need to stay in quarantine, the percentage of hygiene that the people follows, and some other parameters. So our project has three parts: the agent, the visualization, and the environment. For the agent and environment, we have used mainly Python, and then for visualization, we have used JavaScript. And to visualize it, we have created a web page, and there we show the results, and it's also the place where you can put your inputs. So the simulations depends on those inputs. Okay, so the inputs part is, as I said, in the web page that is hosted in Heroku. And here you need, as a user, you need to introduce some inputs that then the agent is going to make the simulation depending on those inputs. For the simulation, it's coded in Python, and it's an agent that is going to perform a simulation that will generate a JSON with the results depending on the time, because then in the visualization part, we are going to visualize these results like in a live simulation. And in this simulation, we can also introduce that more than one region. Like, for example, you can put the Spain region, Italy, and so on. So then the the people can travel from one country to another to see the impact of traveling. These are a couple of images, well, an image and a GIF of our project. Uh, in the GIF, we can see there are four regions, and the people are traveling from one to another, so they all get infected finally. And then the last part is the visualization part, where we have created a web page, and there we visualize the results of the simulation. To do that, we get the JSON that the Python agent creates, and just we plot it and we show the results. As I said before, it's a live simulation, so it shows the simulation depending on the time. This is an image of the web page, and we can see like the main parts of it, that it's the graph of the infected, recovered, and people that can be infected over the time. And in the bottom part, we can see three different graphs. There are three different regions, and now it's an image, but it moves, and you can see how the like every dot is like a people, a person, so you can see how the people behaves and how it's going to be infected and so on. So this has been our project, and thank you.